Hey Etsy sellers, today I am showing the Etsy SEO first page strategy within 48 hours. I took a random keyword and checked the competition. I ranked the listing first page within 48 hours live demonstration. So I go to allura.io. This time I took random keywords stainless steel tumblers, search it in Allura and check the search results in competition. In this keyword search result, 18,100 and 119,869 competition mean 119,869 listings active for this keyword at this moment. Now check the date of my laptop. It's August 7th, 2025. Now I am going to connect VPN to check USA real search results. For remember, I saved the keyword in Excel file. After connecting USA IP, I'm going to visit Etsy and select a listing that is stable on 5 to 10 pages. I am checking the listing title. That listing has exact keyword on the title. This time I select this listing. Total 931 reviews on their shop. I save the URL on Excel file. Take a screenshot of the listing image for remember. Again, final check to make sure the listing ads and listing not on first page. I can't find the ads and listing on first page now. I can start my work. I will show you the update of my work tomorrow. I am back again the second day of Etsy SEO. Today you can see my laptop, the date August 8th, 2025. Today I check my work strategy work or not, so I am connecting a new USA IP address. Visit Etsy and search the keyword and check the random listing I selected last night. It's not on first page, we can see. Let's see second page. Yes, it is on second page. This is the ads of this listing. This is the listing. My strategy worked within 24 hours. I optimized the listing with ads 6 page to second page. Now match the item number that we selected last night. Also match with the image that is same listing or not. Yes, it's same. After 2 hours, I check ranking with new USA IP again. Search the keyword, scroll down. Boom, this is the ads of that listing. Scroll down more. Yes, we have done. It's on first page with ads. You could check the date is same. So for getting potential sales on Etsy, first page is important to achieve your goal. For this type of Etsy service, Fiverr link in the description. You can personally email or message me on WhatsApp. Contact information in the description as well. Thanks.